Dog. The dog lives at home. The dog wags its tail when it's happy. The dog likes to eat meat. Cat. The cat lives in the house. The cat likes to drink milk. The cat has soft fur. Mouse. The mouse eats cheese. The mouse has a long tail. The mouse is a rodent. Canary. The male canary sings. The canary is usually yellow. The canary eats seeds. Rabbit. The rabbit is very fast. The rabbit eats carrots. The rabbit has 2 long ears. Snail. The snail moves slowly. The snail has a shell that protects it. The snail has 2 antennas that guide it. Iguana. The iguana is green. The iguana lives in humid places. The iguana lives in the trees. Parrot. The parrot is a very intellectual bird. The parrot can imitate a human's voice. The parrot is green. Frog. The frog moves by jumping. The frog has sticky skin. The frog lives in humid climates. Turtle. The turtle has a very hard shell. The turtle moves very slowly. The turtle eats vegetables.